In this video, I'm going to talk about how to find network security key on PC and laptop and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is if you're on a Wi-Fi or whether on an Ethernet, you can try both steps. So all we have to do is just go over here, click on, if you're on the Ethernet, you have to click on this one. And if you're on the Wi-Fi, you'll be having a Wi-Fi icon here. Just go over here, right click and directly go to network and internet settings over here. That is going to take you to this, and from here just wait so that it will be completely load up. So once it successfully load up, what you need to do is you have to click on the Wi-Fi over here. That is going to take you to this and click on manage non-networks. And over here, as you can see, these are the two available connected networks in the past which I recently used it. So what I need to do is I just need to select the very recently used one, that is this one. So I have to click on this one, and over here there is an option called Wi-Fi network password. I have to click on the show over here, so the password will be displayed, and that is how we can know it. This is one of the way or how we can do it, and apart from this we have another method. So that's all about how we can find the network security key on a PC and laptop, and I hope this kick video is helpful. That's it, bye.